Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel, and today we are discussing about a topic adverbs. Okay, I think you have to know very well about the verb and adjective and some of the noun parts. So in this video we have to know about the adverb, and first we know what is the meaning or what is the sense of the adverb and how can we use the adverb word into the sentence. Clear? So let's start the video and know more thing about the adverbs. So you can see here is the word adverb. Okay, so you can see here that this word made of two words. First is add and second is verb. Okay, add means adjective. Add means adjective and verb means verb. You know very well about the verb. Okay, so it means some of the word that is the word of adjective and it's this word modify of the verb. If any adjective word modify or saying the quality of the verb, that is the called adverb. Okay, and if both when made to each other, then it will be adverb. Okay, for example, I tell you some of the important example like he ran fast. He ran fast. Okay, he ran fast. You write neatly. So in both sentence you can see he is a subject, he word is a subject, ran is a noun word, and fast word it is a adjective word. Not adjective word, it is a adverb word. This word modify of the verb. Okay, or saying the quality of the verb. You can see here definition of the adverb. An adverb is a word that qualifies or modifies. Okay, so you can see here the word fast, and in the second sentence you can see word neatly. Both are the word qualifying or modifying of the verb. So verb is here. In the first sentence you can see ran word is a verb, and in the second sentence write is a verb. Okay, so in both sentences you can identify simply as a verb, and after the verb you can see some of the words like fast and neatly. How can you write? Then you write neatly. So here in the word neatly modifying or saying the quality of the verb. Okay, right means a verb. Right word is a verb, and neatly qualifying of the word right. Okay, so this word, it is neatly word will be the adverb. So simply you can see here adverb is a word that qualify or modify a verb. Okay, it means adverb is a only a word. Okay, adverb is a only a word that is the qualifying or modifying of verb. Okay, verb or an adjective or another adverb, and these type of the word will call adverb. Clear? So I hope you all understand about the adverb. Clear? Now next we have to know. Next we have to know kind of adverbs. Kinds of adverbs. So you can see at your boards some of the adverbs I have to write here. First is you can see here adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, interrogative adverb and adverb of reason. It is important adverb that is the mentioned at your course, and I will explain one by one all the part of all the kind of adverb. Okay, first we talking about adverb of time. Okay, first we talking about adverb of time. Clear? So first we see, I think you know very well about the what is the meaning or what is the sense of the adverb. Okay, for example, he walked, the apple was very sweet. Okay, the apple was very sweet. One thing sir, I tell you, it is a modifying or qualifying of the verb and adjective or another word. So many of the students will confuse that it is the only adverb that is the qualifying of the verb. No, it's not right. Okay, many of the words that is the qualifying of the verb. Okay, or modifying of the word, but many of the word also qualifying the adjective word and another adverb. I gave you one by one example, like he writes neatly. Okay, he writes neatly. In this sentence, you can see as the adverb and neatly word qualifying of the verb. Okay, qualifying of the verb. Who qualifying the word neatly? Okay, the word neatly qualifying of the verb. So this word, this type of the word is called adverb, that is the qualifying of verb. Second is the apple was very sweet. The apple was very sweet. Okay, you know very well here the apple is a subject and was is a verb. Okay, was word is a verb, and you know very well that the sweet word is a adjective. Sweet word is a adjective, but here very word is a adverb, and this word not qualifying of the was. Okay, it is qualifying or modifying of the adjective. You know very well sweet word is a adjective. Okay, sweet word is a adjective, and here the very word qualifying of the word sweet. Okay, so we can say that a word that qualifying of adjective is also called adverb. So very word will be the adjective. Oh sorry, adverb. Clear? I hope you understand it very well. Next, first we are talking about adverb of time. Adverb of time, first we know the definition of its. Adverb of time show us the time at which an action takes place. Okay, it is the show us the time at which an action takes place. For example, I have made Uma before. I have made Uma before. Okay, I have made Uma before. So you can see here the sentence, and in this sentence you know very well here the have made is a verb and Uma is a object, but in this sentence you know before word is a adverb. Before word is a adverb, and it is the refer as a time. Okay, when I met before. Okay, so this word modifying of the verb. So here is before word is a adverb, that is the modifying of verb made. Okay, so and this before word refer to the time. This before word refer to the time. So we can say that this before word is adverb of time. Adverb of time. I gave another example. The principal will meet you today. The principal will meet you today. Okay, you know very well here is the principal word is a subject, will meet is a verb, you is a object, and today word is a adverb. Okay, how can you say this word will be adverb? Why? Because this word modify of the verb. Okay, modify of the verb. When principal meet you, when principal will meet you, it principal will meet you today. So today word refer to a time. Today word refer to a time. So we can say that this word, okay, time word, this today word refer to the time and it is the qualifying of the verb. So this today word will be the adverb. Clear? So I hope you all understand about the first part of the adverb of time. Okay. Now next we are talking about the second part, and the second part is adverb of frequency. Okay, adverb of frequency. So let's know, first we know the definition of adverb of frequency. Okay, adverb of frequency, I write here adverb of frequency, second adverb. Okay, so first its definition is adverbs of frequency show us how often something happen. Okay, how often something happen. For example, he visits us regularly. He visits us regularly. Okay, he visits us regularly. Or my father exercises every day. My father exercises every day. Okay, so second adverb is adverb of frequency. So in this sentence, first you can see in the first sentence he visits. Okay, he is a subject, visit is a verb, and us is a object. Okay, us is a object, and rest of the word it is regularly. Okay, regularly. This word is a adverb, and what kind of the adverb? It is the same frequency. It means he visits one time, two time, three time. It means he coming to regular. He visits regular. Okay, not only one day, after 2 days, after 3 days. No, it's continuously working. It's continuously visiting. So we can say that here the frequency will appear, and when the frequency will appear, and this as like a regularly, and this regularly word qualifying of the verb visits. Here is the verb. What is the verb? Verb is visits. Okay, visits is a verb, and how can it be? It will 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. It means it will happening as a continuously. Okay, so this word is became as a frequency. Okay, it's working again and again. It is a frequency. So we can say that it is the frequency word, and it is this frequency word qualifying of the verb. So we can say that it is the adverb of frequency. Okay, in the second sentence, my father is a subject, exercises is a verb, and every day word is a frequency word. Every day word is a frequency word. It means your father giving you exercise one day, then after second day, then after 3 days. It means is giving the exercise one by one. It means every day. Okay, so it's a work as a frequency. This word refer to the frequency, and when this word modifying of the verb exercises. Okay, so this word will be the adverb of frequency. Okay, so regularly, every day, daily, etc. are the many words that is the refer to the frequency. Okay, so this word, if any word that is the appears are looking as a frequency and it's modifying of the verb, then it will be adverb of frequency. Clear? Now third is a adverb of place. Third is adverb of place, and we have to talking now adverb of place. Okay, so I will write here place. Okay, first we know the definition of the adverb of place. Okay, what is the definition of adverb of place? Adverb of place tell us where an action takes place. Where an action takes place. For example, I lived here. I lived here. Okay, I lived here. Second example is the man has gone out. Second example is the man has gone out. Okay, it is a adverb of place. So you can see here is the I is the subject, lived is a verb, and here word lived. Okay, so here word refer to a place. Okay, and second sentence out word refer to a place. Okay, out means out of room, it is the place. Okay, here means here is a place name. Okay, when some of the word refer to a place. Okay, when some of the word refer to a place and it is referred to, or it is qualifying of verb, then it will be adverb of place. Okay, adverb of place. Like you can see that here it tell us where an action taking place. So action will going where it is happened out. Okay, this action take place as a out, and in this example the action take place here. Okay, so this type of the word like here and out refer to a place in a sentence, and it is the qualifying or modifying of the verb. So this type of the adverb will call adverb of place. Okay, so I hope you all understand it. In the next video we have to know its next parts. Okay, so thank you for the watching video.